this is cozy. Like that, yeah. And if you're like really tiny, yo guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got Suzuki Jimny 270-degree awning. And I got a new hat. It's a nice warm hat. Hey. Hey. Aha. Whew. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Everybody's probably gonna be jealous about my hat. It's a cool one. First thing first, I'm gonna have some breakfast. It's Friday, recording this video on Friday. And yeah, 270-degree Rhino Rack awning. It's called an awning. We call it a level. Yes. In our country, we call it a level awning. I'm not sure where that word really comes from. But anyway, Rhino Rack 270-degree awning. But first food, quick food. Nom 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 nom. Moved the Jimny a little bit to the front because, well, I need some place to work. Anyway, why did I get the 270-degree awning and why not just a simple one like that? Well, if I'm underneath my awning and it's raining and it's cold and I want to get something out of my trunk, well, I'm gonna get wet. So that's why I didn't go for the simple straight one and I go for the Batwing. So it's like all the way around. I hope, I think, you know. Anyway, let's unbox this. This is a giant box. It's a small Jimny and it's a giant box. Anyway, let's go. Yet again, another bag of nuts and bolts. I have no idea how many nuts and bolts I have already installed on the Jimny, but it's almost getting twice as heavy, and that's not the point. Anyway, so Rhino Rack already looking very decent. Picked it up yesterday evening at Gitrex in Tiele, my 4x4 off-road parts dealer. And I also ordered the hidden winch. So somewhere in there, in about 2-3 weeks, we are going to install a big Warn winch, a 2.5 ton Warn winch. And I have some sketchy plans with that winch. Anyway, back to the Rhino Rack. And if you're a Jimny owner, you probably bought a Jimny because it's low weight and you don't want to put a lot of weight on it. It is like 17 and a little bit kilograms or 19. I'm not really sure. So it says like NW 17.9, GW 19.8. So I'm not really sure if it's 17.9 or 19.8. Anyway, but I mean, it's not that heavy. You can just easily pick it up. So it's not really a big dead weight, but every kilogram counts on a Jimny. Anyway, first things first, little bolt under there, release it, put the clamp on it like that. On top, over here at my pinky, 2 more bolts go in, and when that's secured, you get this one, go all the way to the top, mount it like that, and attach it. Pretty quick and easy job, I think. So a finished product should be looking something like that. So you get the outside corners over here, which are very strong. You put this one in the middle, makes it double as strong. You got the one on the side, and yeah, 2 bolts over there, 2 bolts over there, and 1 at the bottom. Have another good and close look. Got it? Let's continue. I took the wrong hole. You should never take the wrong hole. Now it is time to put the awning on it, and yet again, you know, I have no friends, so yeah. So yeah, I'm not going to use the excavator this time, just to put a 17 kilogram awning on it. So I'm going to measure the points where the brackets are. And at that exact measurement, I'm also going to put the bolts from the awning on. So when I get on, I should be able to just click it on. So we do have a small issue. We got 4 of these, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 holes and 4 of these. So why couldn't they just add like 8 of these instead of 4? Would be so much better. Yeah, no idea. Anyway, I'm gonna put some bolts in, I'm gonna put some nuts in there and attach some bolts to the other side. It's kind of weird, but it'll fit. I mean, I can't just use 4 of these small ones to keep the awning on. Heavy winds, storm, rain. I don't know. I'm gonna make sure it's tightened. $101. All right. Now I am going to use a little bit of tape to make sure these bolts don't go anywhere because they slide really easily. And I really do not want them to slide when I'm on top of my ladder trying to get this awning on. Aha! Here we go. Rhino Rack, here we come. it worked. It kind of worked. I forgot my nuts. I seriously forgot my nuts. I have nothing in my pocket. God dang it, no. Oh Lord. God dang it. Ow. Go in, you little. Come on. There we go. A little bit of manhandling right there. Take a step back and admire your work. So yeah, I'm stepping back and having some tea and admiring my work. I really like it. Anyway, let's take it outside and let's open it up and try to set it up. Now I am going to camp, no worries, and it probably is going to rain at some point, but it is really windy and it's raining. I'll just open it up inside. God dang it. So this little bag is just 3 or 4 ribbons and like these things you put in the ground. How are these things called in your country? Like you put them in the ground and you prevent your chimney from flying away. I'm pretty sure that if this awning, this Batwing Awning, takes a lot of wind, probably gonna pick my chimney up and throw my chimney away. So yeah, these things you put in the ground to prevent them, how are they called? Let me know in the comments, what are they called in your country? We call them piqueta. Piqueta. Oh. Huh. Oh. Oh. Now this is cozy. Like that, yeah. Oh, one more. Oh. I still have to mount that thingy on top, that little hook on top of the roof rack, so I can keep a little bit more stuck. But anyway, there should be some. Oh, this clicks right out. This goes a little bit more like that. So we got a little bit of an issue. We got this little block and we got this this thingy, and we got a little bolt. Now this has to come on top of the roof so I can attach this thing. Like you want to stretch it. You really want to stretch this thing out. I'm pretty sure that I think Rhino Rack also has roof racks. Rhino Rack, roof rack. Yeah, probably do. Because they're called Rhino Rack. I think I'm going to need to do some little modifications to get this on the roof rack. I mean, yeah, combining 2 brands, it's always a little bit sketchy, but gonna drill this holes just a little bit bigger so this bolt sinks in a lot better. And yet again, you can do all the stuff yourself. I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer, and yeah, sometimes it just needs a little bit of adjustments, but I mean, it's not that hard. That should do the trick. Yeah, buddy. Lightweight. Yeah, buddy. Pull it with one hand and attach it with the other, like that. There we go. Beautiful. Ha! And I mean, you can still attach some more of these side panels to get like totally out of the wind. Now I'm not really sure how high. Now I'm pretty sure that even the mountain half-door bjorns can still go camping inside of a chimney, because this is like, I don't know, is this even the max? Oh no, this is not even maximum height. I can even go even higher. So yeah, I'm not sure how high that is, but I mean, if you're that high as my arm right now, it's about 2 meters and 50 centimeters or something. I'm pretty sure you wouldn't fit in a Jimny anyway. This is some cool stuff. God dang it. And if you're like really tiny, put it all the way down. So yeah, that is the Rhino Rack Compact. I'm putting my head down, but actually I should not have to put my head down. Only in the corner here when I'm close to my Jimny. It's just a flap. So I'm 1 meter 76 centimeters, and yeah, I mean, you can lift these things up like amazingly high, but I can walk around. And the fun part is when I'm like having my setup right here, having dinner, just chilling and relaxing, I can just walk around, and even if it starts to rain, I can just go to my trunk without getting wet, and I can just open it up. Side posts are very lightweight because, well, it's only 17 or 18 kilograms for the total awning, so which is fairly light. But yet again, I only have one thing left to do. Now, how cozy does that look? Neato, right? Campfire, good steak, maybe a tomahawk or another wagyu. Not really sure. Over there, these lights, look at that. In the evening. Oh man, looking forward to this. Anyway, that is the end of this video. I'm really sorry, I have to let you guys down again. Gonna go home, eat some more. And thank you guys so much for watching. Yet again, Rhino Rack Compact Awning, 270 degrees. So comfy, so nice. And these lights, these camping lights are from Jimny. I bought them on jimnystyle.com, and they are called the Camp Light. It works with the USB, so it's pretty. I really like this light. It's like I'm at a Christmas market or something, somewhere in Germany on a Christmas market. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.